Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated Moribana Japanese floral arrangements for your home settings. To make these ideas more unique or beautiful, people will love to create these sort of unique and incredible ideas that will enhance their home decor ideas and make it more remarkable and unique. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and would love to create any of them. In this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated Ikebana and Moribana floral arrangements for your home settings. To make these unique patterns for your home decor, for your different bedroom and living room decorations, people will love to create or arrange these sort of unique ideas that will enhance their home settings and make their home decor ideas more beautiful. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these beautifully decorated unique ideas to make their home decor ideas more extravagant or beautiful. To enhance their home decor ideas, people will love to create or arrange these sort of ideas in a more unique and vibrant colorful collection of floral decor ideas. Viewers, these ideas can be easily created at home by using your creative or productive skills. To make these ideas more unique, you can add some customizations according to your own requirements and make it more beautiful and up to the mark for your home settings. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it and work on all your requests. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like these ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and it also encourages me to bring some latest and creative collections for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me. Thank you.